How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. If you guys are new here, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you're new. Today I'm going to give you what the sound of my 2005 LLY GMC Sierra sounds like. If you guys haven't seen the previous video of when I first revealed this work truck, I'll put a video in the corner of the screen. But for right now, let's see what she sounds like. Alright guys, let me know actually what you thought about how the truck sounded. Guaranteed the truck's not going to sound like that forever, because once it gets its plates and its emissions done, the DSP5 switch, EFI Live, and the new EGR delete are going on right after. So this video clip was a before sound in my book, and then I'm going to do a video of what it sounds like after, once all three of those components are going to be installed. And I am going to be making a video on that. I don't have an updated time of when the truck is going to be registered and when the emissions are going to be done, because I haven't heard back from the DMV yet, but I will keep you guys updated on that. Like I said, making videos every Saturday and Sunday, so be sure to also check out my previous video that I will be showing you at the end. And if you're new, like I said, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and also I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.